Hello guys, in this video, I will teach you how to fix your car stats disabled. Follow what I'm doing guys, watch the full video, and don't skip. If you have a 2000 horsepower or 99 horsepower you will banned in racing, this is new update. No more 99 horsepower or 2000 horsepower in this new update version for .8.17.6. If new in this channel guys, please click subscribe and hit the bell button for notify my new videos upload. I try to race, this will happen racing disabled.
What? What the fuck?
So now guys, let's fix it. Now let's go. Check all your car guys if you have a 99 horsepower or 2000 horsepower and then reset. All specs if you have that HP, high HP over 1695 horsepower is not allowed.
She says that she loves me, she just wants to fuck me. Got me feeling something, got me feeling nothing. Alcoholic junkie, says she thinks I'm funny. Think I might get lucky, spending too much money. She says she wants my necklace, put her on the guest list. Hope I don't regret.
If you done to reset, restart your CPM and reopen again.
My checks rich, hickeys on my neck, shit. She's on the offensive, I do not know my set list. Still I'm gonna get lit, yeah I have a death wish. Live until I'm breathless, I'ma stay progressive. She gon' stay obsessive, life is so expensive. Do everything excessive, I think my brain's defective. Yeah, can't think when she's aggressive. Yeah, she snuck into my
Oh right guys,
section.
it's gone, now you can race again.
You think I'd learn my lesson, yeah. And we ain't getting no sleep.